It was time to do some work, but my back, my ribs, my rib cage was still behaving like Nicolas Cage. However, my one-armed man was helping me. We're looking after the bamboos. Hello, sir. You treat bamboo in water here. It's the cheapest and easiest way.
You want puppy? This.
They think you're a dog. Some say that I'm blind. And the biggest mistake, you think that I'm right. But I won't back out of revenge. And the tears I cry, I hold not behind my back. I fall back to black. I just wanna say goodbye.
Hey, big guy. It's quite a nose ring you got there. I understand. One vegetable. I know you can't see, but it's raining very lightly, and it just brought something to mind. You know that smell, when it rains, you can smell something, and it smells so good. And I don't think there's anybody in the world who doesn't like that smell of light rain. And what's actually happening is very interesting. It's gypsum. I think I'm saying it correctly. Gypsum. Anyway, basically what's happening is it's like an aerosol that's being released from the ground, and that's what we smell. But you only really smell it in light rain. You don't really smell it as vividly in heavy rain. But what's interesting is that humans have the ability to smell the gypsum, the aerosol released from the water and the ground. The moment it hits the ground, we're able to smell it stronger than sharks can smell blood in the sea. So the question is why? Why do we have this ability to smell light pattered rain? I think it's something to think about. Anyway, it's lovely. It's lovely.